R2-D2, Your Highness.
Welcome back to Scale Model Kit Review, and welcome back to another installment of the Star Wars Build Your Own R2-D2. Now, I did pick this up from Model Space many years ago, and I'm finally getting around to completing this kit. I'm all the way up to issue 79, and that will be to build the body frame fittings. So, without further ado, let's head over to the instructions for this, and at the end of the video I'll show you the entire magazine. So with the body frame fittings, this is what we have here. Let's get a closer look. And before I begin, remember that this is only available through FanHome. And we've kind of done this already before on one side, so now we're doing the other side. Assembling the framework. Very simple here. And that's what it will look like. Let me get the parts and I will be right back. Here's the parts for issue 79. Let's get a closer look. And here's a close-up of those parts. Here's the other support bracket for the frame. It looks great there. And the other part here. And another chrome rod. Everything here is made of metal. And finally, we received some more screws. The silver screws are designed for metal application, and the black screws are designed for plastic. Let's get started. And for the silver metal screws and nuts, I do use Thread Locker by Permatex. They make it in blue or red. Either one will work, but this will prevent those screws from backing out during vibration, and when let's say when R2-D2 is being operated time and time again, it won't allow those screws to back away. I'm going to align these two frame parts here, and this one right here simply just lines up just like that. I'm going to put in 2.5 by 6 millimeter screws into this. Thread locker goes into this. Get them both started first. And tighten them down. Here we go. That's what that looks like there. Now we'll go ahead and mount this to the frame. Bring over the frame. Thread locker will go on this. And they are secure there. Next, I'm going to go ahead and install this rod, and that's going to go on top of this and get installed with a 2.5 by 8 millimeter screw. Put a little bit of thread locker on there. And there you go, the rod's installed and tight. That completes stage 79. That's how everything looks. Now let's go ahead and look at the magazine. Alright, real quick here, show you the magazine. Building the Galaxy, getting technical. Great article there. Droids of Yavin 4. And that's what that looks like there. Pretty cool there, right? The R3-S1 and the R2-BHD. R2-Q2, R5K6. So they talk about all the different droids. Telerobotics. Very cool. And the Deep Space Network in Australia, apparently. The Mars Science Laboratory. Very cool. And of course, the build instructions and a preview of what we will be receiving in issue 80. Front panel, body details, and control switches. If you like my content, please subscribe to my channel and smash that like button. Happy modeling, everybody, and take care.